Hi there, I'm Brad at the Bristol Hi Fi Show 2026, and I'm joined by Igor from Canor.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you. First time at the show?
No, I've been here maybe like 12 years back.
Wow.
But
Just once though?
Once though. This
Yeah.
is second time.
Yeah. How have you found it this weekend?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very busy. Very crowded. That's very good.
Yeah.
I've been only downstairs for now, so probably today it's my time to go check all the other
You'll
stuff.
be able to go and have a listen.
Hopefully, yeah.
Well, it's nice to come and have a sit down, take
Yeah.
a load off,
Little
have
bit.
a little chill. Now, tell the people at home who Canor are, what it is you do, and what products you bring to the industry.
Canor is on the market for more than 30 years now. Last 5-6 years we're trying to push a little bit more. We are doing all in our house. We would call ourselves as a tube specialist. Most of our products are tube babes, valve babes products. But this year we came up with a new, we call it like foundation line, which is without tubes, without valves. It's a solid state, very simple, very good design, very friendly interface of like connecting to the amplifier.
Yeah.
And we have in this line we have like integrated amplifier with built-in phono stage and a headphone output and a separate DA converter.
Okay, so how many products across the range do you think you carry at the moment?
Foundation line right now. Foundation line. It's created with 2 products at the moment.
Yeah.
Next step probably we will have a separate CD transport.
Yeah.
Because I believe that CDs are getting a little bit more into the
Popularity's growing for CDs, definitely. Yeah.
So that's the next step for the foundation line. Then we have a performance line when we have a integrated all-in-one system with a DA converter and a phono preamplifier and a headphone amplifier. It's called Virtus A3. That's very popular from last year. That's the last year products. We have a tube-based CD player in this line. We have a tube-based phono preamplifier. And then the premium line when we have a tube-based Class A integrated amplifier,
right?
Just analog integrated, tube-based CD player with DA converter, and a bigger tube-based phono stage. And the last line we call it like our reference line when we have a separate A-class tube preamplifier, A-class tube monoblocks, and also a solid-state power stereo monoblock.
Wow, so that's quite a lot of products.
Yeah, it's quite.
Yeah,
it's getting quite busy.
Because obviously, tube technology, it's not everyone does tube technology. It's a bit more niche than I think people realise. There's not a lot of manufacturers out there spearheading that.
Exactly.
So if you've got that corner of the market, you've got a firm grip on that. What made you guys go into the solid state territories?
We want to be a little bit well known also for people that are not into tubes. Because we have our clients that will, recall to us every time they want some change, they want our new model and so on. But on the other side, there are a lot of people that are not into tubes or are not willing to spend so much money on their system. So this foundation line, we're trying to make it much more simpler, but sound-wise, we try to get close to the sound that we like, and we can see that people are enjoying it also. So that's the most.
Do you think with valve technology that there's any sort of misconceptions that put people off? Do you think that, because obviously...
How do you mean?
Well, because I know valve technology because I've got a background in pro music, so I've had studio equipment and guitar amplifiers with valves, so I understand the principles of what go into them. Some people might look at it from a hi-fi perspective and go, oh, that's a bit old hat, or I'm not, that changes the sound too much, it makes it warm. Everyone always uses that term warm when it comes to valves. Do you think there's anything that you would say about valve technology that makes it superior?
I would say that when it comes to analog listening, that valve tube technology is more pleasant to human ear than the transistor one. I wouldn't say it's too warm, and also our tube-based amplifiers, a lot of people will say you need sensitive speakers for it. That's not true. If you do it well and you have a high damping factor in the amplifier, you can drive like any speaker, most of any speaker. So
well,
you should have a listen and then decide.
Yeah, well, I think that's the thing we challenge people to do is if you're
listen,
you know,
and decide.
Absolutely, you've just got to hear it for yourself because everyone does have different tastes, and that's fine. That's the beauty of hi-fi is there are countless manufacturers and different types of product because everyone has different ears.
Yeah, like everyone's listening to different music, like music taste. You also have the taste for good amplifier, the sound stage, or things like that.
Yeah, absolutely. And is there? You mentioned briefly a few products, but do you have like a roadmap in place of new stuff that you're working on, or is it just sort of like because some manufacturers they'll say, "Oh, we're always working on 5-6 different products."
Yeah, we are working on different products. We are working something for the reference line that I'm not able to tell right now.
We can't talk about that.
But when it comes to the foundation line, as I told you, we have a separate DA converter and an integrated amplifier. Next step will be CD transport.
Yeah.
And our plan for the nearest future is to have a standalone headphone amplifier.
Oh, nice. Because headphones is a big market in itself. So you know, you know, I can't remember the term for it now, but there's it's like audiophile, but it's like headphile for headphone listeners, and that's a different type of hi-fi enthusiast altogether. They've got very different requirements to everyone else. So you're obviously having to make different choices based on what the needs of the user are.
Exactly. Yeah, headphone amplifier is the next step from Canor.
Brilliant. Well, I'll definitely have to come along and have a listen.
Yeah, and sure. You're welcome to come downstairs if you have some time.
Yeah, absolutely. And what sort of price point are we talking about for the range of products? Is it
for the foundation line? We are talking about from 2,000 to 3,000.
Yeah.
For the performance line, we are talking about 3,500 to like 5,500.
Yeah.
For the premium line, we're talking about somewhere between 7,000 to 9,000, and the reference line starts like 12,000 to 16 or 17,000 for a unit.
Intermediate up to quite a luxury product.
Exactly.
Yeah, nice. That's brilliant. Well, I'll definitely come along and have a listen.
Thank you.
And will we see you at the show next year? Do you think?
I hope so.
Yeah,
I hope so.
Have you enjoyed the interaction with the people? Because obviously, as you said, it's really busy. But
it's really busy, but. Yeah, people are leaving our room satisfied. Have a lot of questions, want to know something new, and finally, it's our time on the UK market as well, because we are doing very good in Europe.
Yeah.
For some years, and I believe that this year will be better for the UK.
Year for it.
Yeah,
the breakthrough. Like it. Excellent, Igor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you. Guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll join us at the show next year and you'll be able to check them out for yourself and dispel the myths around valves. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye.